Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in the new iOS 13 reminders. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create location-based reminders. Location-based reminders will remind you to do things when you are physically near a location that you set. For example, if you're out running errands and you know you're going to be near the post office but you don't want to forget stamps, well, when you get physically near the post office, the reminders is going to remind you to pick up stamps. Let me show you how to do it. Tap on Reminders to open up the app. I already have a list called Errands, so I'll tap on that. I'll tap on New Reminder in the bottom left corner. Then I will type in Stamps. There are 4 icons above the keyboard. Tap on the second one, which is the location icon. There are some presets built in, so you can get reminded when you arrive home or when you get in the car, but we're going to tap on Custom. Next, I'll type in Post Office, and then I will click Search to search for my local post office. I'll tap the first option, check the map to make sure I have the right one, and then click Done in the top right. Now when I'm out doing errands, when I get near the post office, I will be reminded to pick up stamps. I'll show you one more way to add a location-based reminder. Tap on New Reminder in the bottom left corner. I'm going to type in Fruit. Instead of tapping on the location icon above the keyboard, tap on the eye to the right of the reminder. Toggle on Remind Me at a Location. Tap on Location. Search for the location that you want. Hit search. I'm going to tap on Wins Market. And if you look above the map, you can determine whether you want to be reminded when you are arriving at a location or tap on Leaving if you want to be reminded when you are leaving a location. Well, I want to be reminded when I get to the market, so I'm going to click on Arriving. I'm going to click on Details to go back. I'm going to take, so the next time that I'm near Wins, I will be reminded that I need fruit. But let's take it up a notch. I'll go down to the bottom and click on Subtasks, and I'll tell it what kind of fruit that I want. I like their watermelon, grapes, and figs. Click Details to back out of it. Click Done in the top right corner. Now you will see here I have a reminder to get stamps when I'm near the post office in figs, grapes, and watermelon the next time I arrive at Wins. My name is Mike Murphy. That is how you create location-based reminders in the new iOS 13 Reminders app. Cheers.